First, prepare your pizza.
Liza Goddard's had a tough old time of it of late, losing her mother, husband, best friend and sister within 4 years.
You can obviously use any sort of cheese.
Now she's helping to promote a new book called Cooking for One, and in it will be her quick and easy recipe for pita pizza.
It was a lot of death over a short time. So every year there was a major death in my life. So I do understand how people feel after major bereavement, and also how I've come to terms with it myself. And I think one of the things that you can do is look after yourself. And one of the ways you can look after yourself is by having nice food and cooking for yourself, not just having ready meals or sitting in front of the telly. I think it's important to cook yourself something, and it doesn't have to take a long time. I don't like any food that takes a long time.
Rosedale funeral director Simon Beckett-Allen came up with the idea after suffering his own loss. His beloved sister Sarah died from sudden death syndrome 3 years ago, aged just 49. She was a professional caterer.
So you've obviously been through this terrible bereavement process, but you find solace in cooking.
When I'm in the kitchen, I'm with her. Yes, I do. And depending on what you're cooking, people all say if you're not feeling very well, have a chicken soup or, warming food, comfort food. And I find it therapeutic.
Simon, tell me, did Sarah have a favourite recipe that's going to go in the book?
Oh, she did, yeah. The chocolate brownies. We couldn't put a book together without the chocolate brownies.
Also involved in the project is Norfolk chef Richard Hughes, who recently lost his own mum.
Richard, that smells delicious. What is it?
It is a Boston bean sausage casserole.
Whoa, why did you want to be involved in this project?
I just think it's a tremendous idea, I really do. Often when people lose, loved ones, food is often what brings people together, and when somebody's out of that equation, it can be quite a lonely time, and you just try to get people motivated to cook and to eat.
The book will be a collection of recipes and stories with tips on self-care and well-being, something positive to lean on at a time of pain.
Okay, chap, so try my bit of pizza.
I can't wait.
Looks
Thank you.
Looks excellent.
Cheers, man. Lovely. Thank you very much, Liza. Absolutely beautiful. I've got 2.
Natalie Gray, ITV News, Scole in Norfolk.
Thank you.